Hi, everybody. This is Kathy. How are you? Happy Thursday. Happy Thursday. I hope you are all having a wonderful day so far. And I just wanted to share something with you to see if you have an interest on me showing you how I made this. Um, so, you guys remember that I got a laminator machine a while ago from Amazon, right? And I have been laminating stuff, and you guys know me. I make stuff and I send it away and I never show it to anybody. Oftentimes forgets, even to take pictures before I send something out. So I'm going to try to do better at that. So before I start like decorating all of the stuff that I'm making, I'm going to show it to you. And then after it's decorated, I'm going to try to show it to you again. Okay. So, well, you guys, this is how the laminated paper looks like. And so the machine that I had, that I bought, came with paper. And I bought this like sequins or confetti thing. They're like iridescent from Michaels. And I used this to laminate a bunch of paper. And that's the paper that I have been using. And I recently laminated some more with some different colors, but I'm going to show you that in another video, some projects with that. So with that color that I laminated, I've been making a lot of things. And you saw this a while ago. This is the first thing I made with my laminating paper. And it's an envelope. And this was a lot of fun to make. It was a little hard to make at first because I had never made one of these envelopes. And of course, the laminating paper is challenging, to bend and to score and all of that. So it was a challenge, but I was able to make it. And I made a few more that are not decorated yet. So that's why I'm showing you this, just to remind you about the one that I made a while ago. And I had ordered these things, and they didn't come in time when I was done with this envelope. So I decided to use Velcro, but I did use one of these snaps on top just to make it look like more finished, because if I try to add the snap on this ribbon on the trim, I don't think I was going to be able to do that, and I didn't want to ruin it. So I just glued that on top and used the Velcro underneath. See? So that's how I ended up doing that. The other ones that I made, I was able to just do the snap because I didn't do the ribbon. I waited to finish decorating those, but this is really pretty. I like it. I'm sending this away in a swap, and I will be showing you everything I'm sending in the swap soon. And okay, so I made these tote bags. See? And this paper that I used, it's like a tie-dye paper. Let me get it to show it to you. Hold on. Okay, so this is the paper, see? It's a tie-dye paper, and it's shiny. I got this paper from Hobby Lobby. And, I thought this was kind of cool. I like it because it's not paper. It's like soft on the back, like waxy feeling on the back. And so I said, if I try to like remove this and reposition it in my craft, it's probably going to be easier if I use this paper because it's so waxy in the back, to like remove it and reposition the paper with the tape, because I'm using that super sticky tape, the red line tape, to make this. So I needed something that wasn't just plain paper. It was something easier to use, because you have to really be careful when you put them together, when you glue them. So that's the paper that I used for this one. See? Super cute. Well, I hope you like it. And that's the laminated paper that I just showed you at the beginning. So this is a tote bag. It's like a summer tote bag. And You don't need any dies to make this. It's just you need to make the base. And then you need the piece of either cardstock. You can do this in cardstock. I just decided to do it with my laminating paper. And I used a summer collection from Hobby Lobby, and it came with all the stickers and some paper and some jemmies and stuff like that. And it's this one here. Well, not that iridescent paper. I got that paper also from Hobby Lobby, but this is the other pack of paper that I was using with this crafting, and I used the ice creams and the other one, like the lime green with the polka dots, and I'll show you that also in a second. So I hope you like this. This is super cute. This is a 3x5. If you want a tutorial on this, let me know and I will do that, because I'm still making more. Like this one is in the process. See, this one is not fully done, so I can show you how I finished this. This could be part of my tutorial. It would be, you know, easier if I use that one that's already made, and I can also show you one when it's, you know, when I'm just putting it together. So this is another one, and this one is that paper that I this one with the ice pops. See how cute that is? You can't really tell in this paper though, because, you know, I have to cut it. But you can, you know, you kind of see the ice pops in there. But they are super cute and super sturdy. You can use this for friend mail and send it to your friends with stuff inside, with some goodies inside. So yeah, beautiful, huh? I really love them. And I've made so many. So I've been assembling them. Now I'm in the process of decorating them. So that's why I'm showing it to you, and see if you have any interest in this, if you want to learn how to make it, if you want me to tell you, you know, the sizes and everything. This one is the first one I made, and this one has a lot of mistakes, but I'm gonna use it anyway. Like you can see when I put this together here in the back, see how that I wasn't able to glue it very well. It kind of moved on me, and I don't know why I didn't reposition it. I thought that I was gonna, you know, rip the paper or something, but then the next ones that I made, I did reposition it and it was fine. So you have to be very careful when you're putting this together. But this one, you know, it's a mistake. We all make mistakes. It's a you know, learning curve. So I'm gonna use this anyway. You know, it's crafting is a art, so art is not perfect, so whatever, you know, I'm gonna keep it just to remind me of my failures. But yeah, this is how you start with your base, and then you glue your acetate or your other laminating paper or just your cardstock. And this is what you're gonna need. It's a 3x5 base. That's the size. And then you have to score it. See, it has some score lines there, and then you have to cut it and put it together. So it's super simple. So if you want me to show you that, I can easily do that now, because I now can do this with my eyes closed. So yeah, you guys, so that's it. Oh, this is the other paper that I used, and that one, and the tie-dye paper. So I think tie-dye is like summery. I don't know. I think so. And the laminating paper. But you can use any acetate or any cardstock. Just try to use... like this paper is super flimsy. It's the Hobby Lobby Paper Studio. But you know what? For like the handles, like this part, is that paper is not double-sided. So you have to cut it twice and glue it together. And I did not use glue at all. I only use red line tape or double-sided tape. See, this one is one-sided only. So you have to cut it twice And I tape this together with double-sided tape, and then use red line tape to attach it, because the red line tape is super sticky. That's gonna stay there forever. So yeah, now I have to decorate this, and I want to maybe make some charms and stuff like that. So I'll show you when I'm done, but I'm super excited. You guys need to always, push yourself to make new things and learn new things and new tricks, because we gotta learn, we gotta keep learning. And I also made this super summery shaker. Don't know if you can see all the stuff that I put in there. This drink stirrers from Dollar Tree. It's a palm tree and a flamingo, and then underneath there is a lime or lemon slice. I used it as a base, and then there is this sticker, this puffed up sticker. It says good vibes only. I used one of the stickers that I painted, and it's a pineapple with diamond dust, and then it's also a palm tree, and I painted that too. I colored that. This one is one of the stickers that just came ready, and in the mix there are some flamingos. I don't know if you can see. There are some flamingos, and they're in the mix. So yeah, this is super cute. Made that shaker too. And that's it for now, you guys. I'm gonna let you go. I hope you have a great Thursday. I do feel a little better today. So far so good for now. Let's see how the rest of the day is, and I will see you soon. Okay, thank you guys. Bye now. I love you.